Did you know that having a festive email signature can increase your engagement during the holiday season? Many people often overlook the importance of adding seasonal elements to their email signatures, and as a result, they miss out on a great opportunity to spread holiday cheer and make their emails stand out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own festive New Year's email signature that will not only impress your recipients but also help you build stronger connections. I'll also teach you how to change the color of the text to match your holiday theme. I'll also show you how to change the social media icons and give your signature a fresh and modern look by updating the banner image. Additionally, I will show you how to add a GIF instead of a banner image to make your email signature more dynamic and attractive. Before you start creating an email signature, you should have 9 important things ready. These are your company logo, personal photo, full name with surname, job title, mobile number, email address, website URL, physical address, and social media links. Now, once you have all these 9 elements ready, we can start creating an email signature. In the first step, we will add a border to our personal image. Here we will not give a border with HTML code because in Windows 10 and 11, the image does not appear when HTML borders are applied. To avoid this problem, the best solution is to give a border to the image before uploading it. To do this, click on the link given in the description, which will take you to a free online editing website called LunaPic. This website allows you to edit images online without any cost. Once you are on the LunaPic website, upload your image. After uploading, choose your theme color for the border color. For example, I am using turquoise color which matches my theme. Here you can also enter the HEX code. Next, at the border thickness, I recommend using a thickness of 3 to 5 pixels so that the border does not look too thick. In my case, I am choosing a thickness of 4 pixels. After making these adjustments, click on the Apply button. Then you will see the option to download your edited image. Click on the Download Now button, and the image with the border will be saved on your device. Now the next step is to upload your image and company logo to a free image hosting server. If you want to keep the same red color text, you do not need to change the social media icons and banner image, but if you change the color of the text, you will have to make the social media icons and banner image in the same color as well. Here I have used Canva to create the social media icons, banner images, and GIFs. Here I have set the size of the social media icons to 100 by 100 pixels and the size of the banner image or GIF to 600 by 230 pixels. Now, go to the website imgbb.com using the link given in the description. Sign up with your Google account. Once your account is ready, upload all the images to this hosting server. While uploading, select the Do Not Auto-Delete option under the image settings. This ensures that your images will remain on the server forever and will not be deleted automatically. After that, click on the Upload button, and all your images will be saved on the server. Now, we will add these live server image links to our HTML file. First, visit the website eGotEmail using the link given in the description. Here, you can buy an HTML email signature template for just $2. This template is designed to support over 130 email clients worldwide, and is fully responsive, dark mode friendly, and easily customizable. To give you an idea, similar email signatures in the market typically cost between $50 and $80, but you can get this template for just $2. Once you purchase the email signature, you will immediately receive a zip file in your email inbox and in the download section of the website. After downloading the zip file, you will get an HTML file with images, icons, and a detailed test report showing compatibility with 130+ email clients. Now, let's open the HTML file in Visual Studio Code application and start customizing it. If you don't have the Visual Studio Code application, you can download it from the link given below. After installing it, also add the live server extension. This will help you see any changes you make in real time right in the browser. To get started, let's add a company logo. First, go to imgbb.com and click on My Profile. Here, you will see all your uploaded images. Find the company logo and click on the Embed Codes option below it. Copy the live link of the image. Then, open the HTML file in Visual Studio Code and find the image tag in line 202. Paste the copied link into the src attribute of the image tag. Save the changes and click the Go Live button on the right. This will open the email signature in a live browser where you can preview the changes. Now that the company logo has been added, let's add your personal image. Go back to imgbb.com, copy the live link of your personal image and paste this link into the src attribute of the image tag in line 237 of the HTML file. Save the file and check in the live browser that your image is fully displayed in the email signature. If you are creating the signature in the default red theme, you do not need to make any changes to the social media icons or banner image, as I have already uploaded them to my server. However, if you are using a custom color theme like turquoise, we need to change the icon and banner image. Let's start by updating the social media icons. First, copy the live link of the Facebook icon image and paste it into the src attribute of the image tag in line 272. Then, copy the live link of the Instagram icon image and paste it into the src attribute of the image tag in line 275. Next, copy the live link of the LinkedIn icon image and paste it into the src attribute of the image tag in line 278. Finally, copy the live link of the Twitter icon image and paste it into the src attribute of the image tag in line 281. Save the changes, and all the updated social media icons will appear in the email signature. Now, let's update the banner image. Copy the live link of the banner image and paste it in the src attribute of the image tag on line 313. Save the changes, and the banner image will also be fully updated in the email signature. In this step, we will update the personal information in the email signature. First, let's add our name. Open the HTML file in Visual Studio Code and go to line 189. You will see an H2 tag there. Replace the text inside this tag with your full name. If you want, you can also write your name in uppercase letters to make it stand out. After that, go to line 190, where you will see a paragraph tag. Replace the text inside this tag with your job title. Once these changes are saved, you will see your name and job title displayed correctly in the email signature. Next, let's update the mobile number. Find line 249 in the HTML file. In the ref attribute of the anchor tag, add your mobile number after tel. Make sure to include your country code and avoid adding any spaces or symbols between the digits. Now, add your mobile number again in the content of the same anchor tag. To make sure the number doesn't appear blue or underlined, insert the and hashtag 8203 code anywhere between the digits. Now, let's update the email address. Go to line 254 and find the anchor tag with the ref attribute starting with mail to. Replace the existing email address with your own email address. Avoid using any spaces or symbols. Then, add your email address again in the content of the same anchor tag. Insert the and hashtag 8203 code anywhere in between the email address so that it doesn't appear blue or underlined. Next, we'll update the website URL. Find line 259 in the HTML file. In the ref attribute of the anchor tag, add your website address starting with https://. Then, add your website URL again in the content of the same anchor tag. Insert the and hashtag 8203 code anywhere in between the website URL to avoid the blue color and underlining. To add a physical address, first generate a shareable link using Google Maps. Find your address on Google Maps and click the Share button. Copy the provided link. Now, go to line 264 in the HTML file and paste the copied link into the ref attribute of the anchor tag. Add your physical address to the content of the same tag. Again, insert the and hashtag 8203 code anywhere in the address to remove the blue color and underlining. Now if we save the changes, all our information is updated. Now, let's change the color of the text. First, select the color you want and copy its HEX code. Find hashtag D71D14 in line 189. Press Ctrl+Shift+L to select all instances of this code in the HTML file. Replace it with your HEX code. Save the changes, and you will see the updated text color applied to your name and the horizontal line. Next, we will make all the images clickable. Start with the company logo. Copy the website link and paste it in the ref attribute of the anchor tag in line 202. Now we will add the website link to our image. So now we will paste the website link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag given in line number 237. Now we will add the website link to the banner image. So now we will paste the website link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag given in line number 313. Now, let's add the links to the social media icons. Go to line 272 and paste your Facebook profile link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag. Now go to line 275 and paste your Instagram profile link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag. Now go to line 278 and paste your LinkedIn profile link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag. Now go to line 281 and paste your Twitter profile link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag. After updating all the links and information, let's save and preview the email signature. It supports over 130 email clients and works perfectly on desktop, mobile, and webmail. This signature is also fully responsive and displays correctly in both light and dark modes. Finally, if you want to use a GIF instead of a banner image, upload the GIF to an image hosting server as explained earlier. Copy the live link and paste it into the src attribute of the image tag in line 313. Save the changes, and the GIF will appear in your email signature. If you want to learn how to upload an email signature in Gmail, the link to the video is given in the description below. If you like this email signature, don't forget to like and share this video. We upload a new email signature tutorial every week, so subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.